Kia my cousins, it's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokerau, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand! I grew up here on the family farm with my brother John Boy, my dad Frank, my mum Kim, and Zion the dog. Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean, hoa ke tātou! And today, I'm on a mission to build an awesome obstacle course. But can I get over the big jump? Hey, what's making this mystery sound? Let's find out. And come with me on a kayaking adventure. Kia ora, my cousins, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm on a mission to build the biggest obstacle course you have ever seen. I'm gonna need heaps of stuff for this obstacle course. Let's go see what we can find. Haramai, vai mai yo. This is the perfect place to find all the materials we need for our obstacle course. But, cousins, we have to be careful. There's heaps of trip hazards and heaps of other hazards here as well too. So we gotta make sure we got the right shoes on and we gotta be looking for the hazards. Okay. We can just cover that up for now so no one gets hit. See? Come on. Oh, what's this? I don't know what that is. Hey! A hay bale! We could use a hay bale for the obstacle course. Okay. Bend your knees straight back in 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Check it out! It's a tractor! Maybe there's something in there we can use. Come on! Alrighty, what do we got in here? Oh, there's nothing in the tractor that we can use. What else is around here? Oh, titiro cousins, he kōrere. They're big pipes. We could use that. Oh, I wish I could transform into a smaller bus. I could use that as a tunnel. Oh, well, maybe I can use it to balance on. Yeah, perfect. Titiro cousins, these raka would be amazing to use. We could make a, could do a little one, maybe if we have I know! We can put this plywood with the rako and we can make a structure. Perfect. Titiro cousins, I think I see some arawhata. This one, it opens up into the letter A. Still got it. Oh, perfect, my cousins. Hey, I just had an idea. We're gonna need some obstacles to jump through. Hoa ke tātou. Yes, I knew we had some. These tyre are gonna be amazing. I know, we're gonna need some rope. Awesome, some rope. Some hula hoops. This thing, that thing. Haha, a dog? Maybe not a dog? Now I just need some nails, a hammer, my building pouch, mix that together with some creativity. Obstacle course, here we come. Kei te hikaka ho. Oh, this is gonna be meke. I'm gonna use the tyres as my first obstacle. I'm gonna set it up like this. And then I can jump between each of the tyres to the next one. All right, next up, I'm gonna set up the kōrere. I've got an idea. Maybe I put the kōrere parallel to each other and then I use one of the posts to roll over it. That sounds great. Come on. there, and then grab our post. Hapai, that seems good. All right, next up, our arawhata. Perfect. It's nice and stable. All right. Oh, hey, Bale. It's looking pretty cool, Stefano. Now, to build a structure out of our rākau. Okay, we have stuff to climb through, stuff to roll on. Now we need something to climb over. Oake! Kia ora, my cuzzies. Little safety message from Buzz the Cuz. When you're nailing, make sure that you keep your fingers out of the way of the hammer. And if you're finding it hard to get the nail into the wood, just give it a little soft tap, a little tap tap. If you're finding it really hard, go and find an adult. Where's the adult? Oh, I'm an adult. All right, let's do it. Oh, nowhere! I made my structure. It's a jump. Oh, it's quite high though. I hope I can make it over. Woo! Ka rawe, he mahi pārekareka tēnei ki a hau. This obstacle course is amazing. Now, to set up my final obstacle, the slide. Ooh. Yeah, that's looking beautiful. Whoa, check out this obstacle course. I have to start all the way here at the start line and then make my way around all the way back to here to the finish line. Now, for my costume change. Wow, perfect. All right, let's do it. Zion, can you time me, please? Perfect. All right, here we go, my cuzzies. Tei, rua, toru, wha, karawhiua. Jump in there. One, two, jump in there. Yep, jump in there. Woo, jump in there. Okay, and now for the rolly part. And up, yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go backwards. Oh, okay, try again, Buzz. Here we go. And up, and here we go. Yep, he's making it. He's doing it. I'm doing it! I made it! Okay, car play. Onto the tramp while we're here. 1, 2, 3. Little backflip. All right, to my arawhata. Here we go. Balance. Balancing. Careful, careful. There we go. All right, over the top of this one. I'm the king of the arawhata. Yeah. And into the hula hoop. All right, here we go. Go. Slowly put your weight down. Boom. Here we go. All right. Now, to jump over the top. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And now, for the final obstacle. Later, careful, careful. Down the slide! Hoorah! I made it to the finish! Zion, what was my time? Whātekau mārima. Ooh, that's pretty good, but I think that I can do it faster. Let's do it again. Come on, you got this, Buzz. You're the man. Self-affirmations. Tei, rua, toru, karawhiua. Oi. Yes! Surely that was faster! Zion, what was my time? Toru te kauma ono, 36! That's a personal best! I love my life! Ka mau te wehi, Buzz! Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, and I'm off on a kayaking mission today. I'm heading out to one of my favourite spots to practice my mindfulness. Hoake tātou.
Let's go! Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Ka rawe, anei ngā kōreti. Oh, these are our kayaks. I'm going to go in this one because it's the fastest. All I have to do now is carry the kayak all the way down there to the launch spot of the estuary. Let's do it. Now, for my checklist. Okay. Kōreti. Check. Hoi. Check. Hā ki te whakaora. Check. Yep. Very important. Pani ārai rā. Where are you, pani ārai rā? Check. Pōtai. Where's my pōtai? Oh, it's on my head already. Check. Phone. I'm going to put my phone into this plastic bag to keep it waterproof. You never know, I might need to call someone if I'm in trouble. Just like that, I can go in there. Hi. All right. Oh, I almost forgot. If you're going kayaking, you need to make sure you tell an adult where you're going. And if you are an adult, like me, you should still tell someone where you're going. Dad! Dad! Dad!
Buzz! Buzz!
I'm going kayaking!
Readers!
Oh, gotta make sure I put my life jacket on properly. I won't be long!
Have you got your life jacket?
Yep!
A rope?
Yes!
A hat?
Yep!
Got your kayak?
Yes, Dad!
Have you told someone where you're going?
I'm telling you!
Okay then. Did you do a karakia?
I'm about to!
Okay. Up the wires.
Up the was. Uri rangaranga ki te uru, haurangaranga ki te tonga. Ka puta te hauranga whenua, tapatapa uru ana te kakau. Ko wai koe, ko moko pū tangaroa. Hui e, tae ki e. Ka rawe, let's go kayaking. See how far we can get, eh? Walk it. Miharo, I love kayaking on the awa. Oh, and I'm really fast at kayaking as well. Check this out. Prepare! Te roa tori timata! Go, Buzz! Go, Buzz! Take it in! Take it in! It's working! It's working! Breathe. Breathe. Recover. Rawe. This is my favourite place to come and practice my mindfulness. Mindfulness is paying attention to what you are doing and how you are feeling in the moment. I love being in the moment. Look at this place. It's beautiful. This awa leads all the way from Kaingaroa out to the Rangaunu Harbour.
This place is so beautiful.
Miharo, these rākau are called mangroves. Mangroves are all over the world. But these ones, they're special. They are called manawa. They're native to Aotearoa. Manawa are amazing because they filter the wai and create a beautiful habitat for our manu, our ika, our punga were were, and all the whānau in the insect world. Hey, want to know something cool? Sometimes, if you're lucky, you can spot some honu, turtles, or some aihe, dolphins, in the harbour. Oh, hey, I want to be an aihe. No, I want to be a honu. Honu. Hey, we're almost at my Wāhi Maurito, my mindfulness spot. Oake. Ka rawe, no mai haere mai. Welcome to the Mindfulness Hut. That's better. This is my favourite spot to come and whakarongo ki te taiao. It helps me to feel calm when I tune into nature. I practice my mindfulness by sitting down like this. And then I listen for something. Oh, I can hear a manu. Then I find something I can see. I can see the manawa. Oh, and then what can I smell? I can smell the salt in the awa. Then I feel for something I can touch. Oh, I can feel the rākau beneath me. Then, last but not least, I tune into te mauri o te taiao, the essence and energy of the natural world. Oi, what's that? Don't worry, awa, I will save you. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I've got it! Whee! Oh! Whoa! Kia ora mai kouties, titiro, look where I am. I'm in the beautiful Hokianga, Opaloni Etu. Hey, this place is so beautiful. I'm just down at the Tātahi listening to all the sounds of te taiao. Oh, I can hear the waves of Tangaroa. I can hear the breeze of Tāwhiri Mātea. Hey, what's that? That doesn't sound like any manu I've heard before. Nope, that's definitely not a bird. Hey, let's go and find out where it's coming from. Hoake tātou. Is that you making that noise, Rako? Kyle. Okay. Oh, I can hear it again. Ka kite, Rako. Oh! Hey, what about you, little ngata? Is that you making that sound? Kyle. Okay. Hey, you're pretty strong. You can carry your whole whare on your back. Imagine if I could carry my whole whare on my back. I'd have the strong as Waiwai. Whare. Whare. Oh! I can hear it again. Ka kite, ngata. Whoa, this is beautiful. I can hear it again. We're getting close, cuzzies. Hang on a second. That's a tonga puoro. Tēnā koe.
Oh, hey. Kia ora.
Kia ora. Ko Buzz tōku ingoa.
Kia ora, Buzz. Ko rā mai tōku ingoa. Nau mai, come on in.
Oh, thank you. This place is beautiful.
Kei te aha koe.
I was just down at the Tātahi and I heard your beautiful tonga puoro and I thought, what is that? And so I followed the sound all the way here. Hey, what tonga puoro were you playing?
This is a hui. Would you like a turn?
I would love a turn.
Here you go.
Thank you. So, do I cover these little holes up with my fingers?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then I blow into the end.
Yes. You just turn it on your lips and you'll find the right angle. You'll find the rangi.
Hurrah, I did it!
Rōreka. That sounded lovely.
Thank you.
Well, I can show you some of our other tonga puoro we have here.
I'd love to. Hey, can the cuzzies come as well?
Yes, of course. Kia ora, cuzzies.
Yeah. Hoake tātou. Whoa, look at all of these beautiful tonga puoro.
This is a purere hua.
Oh, a pūrere hua.
Yes, I'll show you how to use it. You'll need to stand back a bit.
Oh, back it up, back it up.
Titiro kia hau.
Whoa, that's amazing. You were like this, and then it sounded like whoa, 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 whoa. And then it made me feel like, ooh. That was Mickey.
Would you like a turn?
I would love a go. Okay, back it up, back it up. Here we go. Okay.
Give it a good swing. Yeah.
I'm doing it. Whoa, I did it.
Did a good job.
I love pūrere hua.
You can make your own purere hua, even if you just have a string or a ruler.
Hey, I do have a ruler and a string.
Do you?
Tai hora mai.
It's amazing.
Far out. It worked. Thank you so much for showing me all your tonga puoro rā mai.
Oh, you're welcome.
Also, this tonga spoke to me today, and I want you to have it.
Oh, ngā mihi, Buzz. Come back anytime.
Thank you so much. Ka kite anō.
Ka kite anō.
Che, hoake tātou. Careful for your fingers, Buzz. Perfect. Oh, Fu! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, in the kitchen. I'm just making a beautiful kai for all my whānau to eat later. Look, I've got pumpkin, I've got broccoli, carrots, kumara, potatoes, and celery. All right, celery, and like that, can go in the pot. Perfect. Now I just need to clean up the bench. All right. Whoa, there's so many peelings and leftovers. I know. I can feed them to John Boy's poaka. His pigs love leftovers, and it's a perfect way not to waste any kai. Now I just need a bucket. There we go. Right. There. Goes like that. Perfect. That's a mean-ass feed for the poaka. All right. Now I just need to whakapai the bench. Bench is clean. All right, to the poaka. Hoake tātou. Kia cuzzies, whakaronga. Can you hear that? Oh, they sound hungry. Come on, cuzzies. Tino, my cuzzies, these are the poaka. Ka rawe. That one's name's Tahi, that one's Rua, this one's Toru. Can you guess what that one's name is? Yeah, Hinare. Oh, Hinare is the best. He likes long walks on the beach and the sunsets. Oh, and Tahi loves singing as well too. They've got an amazing voice. They'll be like, pig, and all the other pigs are like, you're the best, Tahi. Rua's pretty strong as well too. I was thinking of putting Rua into a strongman competition, but I thought it might be a bit unfair because they're too strong. Pretty choice, eh? Hey, I've got a joke. What kind of boat do pigs sail on? A poaka. I just made that up then. All right, who's ready for a kai? La wai te karakia. All right, māku. Whakapaingia e nei hua kia kahapiki te oranga. Mauri kai, mauri ora. Amene. All right, e kai. Hey, cuzzies, it's important when you're feeding the pigs not to jump into the cage with them. They're so hungry and they can get a bit excited sometimes. Oh, cuzzies, did you know that mama pigs love to sing to their peppy piglets? I want to be able to sing. Au e tau kuri e. Yep, still got it. Oh, what do you think, Poakama? Was that pretty flash? Hey? Flash, eh? Yeah, I've been practicing again. Hey, did you know that pigs have a really good smell sense? They use their snout to be able to smell food from ages away. I want to be able to smell like a poaka. Activate power. I'm detecting something. It's yummy. Oh, can you smell that? Hey, I can smell my kai. It's smelling delicious. Can you smell that, poakama? Oh, poakas are able to smell from ages away. I've got to get to my kai. See you later, poakama.